The last light in a quiet village nestled between tall mountains and dense forests lived a young boy named Ayan. He was known for his curious mind and kind heart. Every evening, after finishing his chores, Ayan would climb up the hill behind his house to watch the sunset. It was his favorite part of the day. One day, while sitting under his usual tree, Ayan noticed something strange. The sun didn't set the way it usually did. Instead of slipping gently behind the mountains, it flickered like a candle in the wind. The sky darkened too quickly, and a chilling wind swept across the valley. The next morning, Ayan woke up to find the village in complete darkness. Not a single ray of sunlight pierced the sky. People lit torches and lanterns, confused and afraid. Days passed, but the sun never rose again. Crops began to wither, and the birds no longer sang. Determined to help, Ayan visited the old village library. There, he found an ancient scroll that spoke of the last light, a flame hidden deep within the forest of shadows. It was said that only someone pure of heart could relight the sun using this sacred flame. With a small satchel, a loaf of bread, and a lantern, Ayan set out alone. The forest of shadows was dark and twisted, filled with strange creatures and eerie sounds. But Ayan pressed on, guided only by hope. After days of walking, he stumbled upon a cave glowing faintly. Inside, atop a stone pedestal, burned a small blue flame. As he approached, a voice echoed through the chamber, "Why have you come, child?" "I've come to save my village," Ayan replied. "To bring back the sun." The voice paused, then said, "Many have come before you. All have failed. What makes you different?" "I don't know if I'm different," Ayan said softly, "but I believe even a small light can chase away great darkness." Silence followed. Then, the flame leapt from the pedestal into Ayan's lantern. Instantly, warmth and light filled the cave. Ayan ran back through the forest, the flame guiding his way. As he reached the hilltop near his village, he raised the lantern high. The flame shot into the sky like a comet, bursting into a golden light. The sun slowly returned, casting its warm rays over the land. The villagers came out, crying with joy. Ayan became a legend, not because he was the strongest or bravest, but because he believed in light when all seemed lost.